Hello and welcome everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to send a connection request on LinkedIn. To do this, it's very simple. You have just to open LinkedIn, and after that, you can search for someone or just go to my network. Click on my network option on the bottom of the screen to see the recommended profile from LinkedIn. And for example, I will go to this profile, and to send a connection request, you have just to click on the blue icon of connect. And as you can see, your request will be sent shortly to the name of that person. So my request will be sent to him. So that's it. And like that, you can send like connection requests, and you can, for example, as you can see, my request was sent and now it says that it's pending for the approval of that person. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, to like this video, and see